Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat, and you will click on this page of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search here about the application of Snapchat. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.